Hi students, today we will talk about parabola of the conic section. Let us begin with the parabola with vertex at the origin. We have two forms of this parabola. It's either y squared equals 4px or x squared equals 4py. But let me start with y squared equals 4px. On the right side, we have the linear expression, and on the left side, we have the squared expression. The right side of the equation, which is a linear expression, will tell you where the parabola will open. Of course, this form of the equation will tell you that the vertex of this parabola will be at 0, 0. Take note, if p is positive, the opening of our parabola will be towards the right. If p is negative, the opening of our parabola will be towards left. The focus of this parabola will be p units away from the vertex, and the directrix of this parabola will also be p units away from the vertex. In this type of parabola will be negative p away from the vertex. To graph this parabola, we need two more points, which is 2p units above the focus and 2p units below the focus. And this is your parabola looks like. Let us proceed to our first example. Y squared equals negative 12x. Notice that this example follows the form y squared equals 4px, and we know that this parabola opens either right or left. And always remember that if p is positive, it opens right. If p is negative, it opens left. To find the value of p, we need to equate 4p to negative 12. Now p is equal to negative 3. It means to say that from the vertex, the focus is 1, 2, 3 units away from the vertex. And also, the directrix of this parabola is 1, 2, 3 units away from the vertex to the right. To graph this parabola, we need two more points, and each point is 2p. Since the value of p is equal to negative 3, we substitute the value of p, that becomes 6, negative 6. It means to say that from the focus, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units above. And from the focus, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units below from that focus. And this is what your graph looks like. This is now our example number 2. Y squared equals 8x. Again, this parabola follows the form y squared equals 4px, where the vertex is at the origin. Take note, if p is positive, your parabola opens right. If p is negative, your parabola opens left. To find the value of p, we equate 4p to 8. Now, p is equal to 2. It means to say that from the vertex, your focus is 2 units away from that vertex, and the directrix is 2 units away from that vertex, which is on the left side. To graph this parabola, we need 2 more points again, above the focus and below the focus, and each point is 2p. Since p is equal to 2, therefore each point is 4 units away from that focus. It means to say that from that focus, we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4 units above, and from the focus, we will count 4 units below it. This is now your parabola looks like.